Alright guys, so if you are an Etsy seller and you are not driving external traffic from your Pinterest page to your Etsy store, then I must say that you are leaving too much money on the table. Because as you know that external traffic is too much important when it comes to online selling, and when it comes to Etsy, the Pinterest can be found as a greatest source of external traffic, because on Pinterest you can find many people out there who are actually looking forward to purchase those products who are actually selling on Etsy. As when you go on Pinterest analytics, so you can find that the 80% of audience of Pinterest are women, and those women are from USA, UK or Canada. And as Etsy is a platform which basically focuses on the home decoration niche, so all those women who are actually using Pinterest, they might be interested in purchasing all those products who are helping them for their home decoration, room decoration or maybe DIY projects. So if you also want to learn my best tips, tricks and strategies on how to get external free traffic from your Pinterest page to your Etsy store, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to explain you each and everything step by step. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now and I have opened Pinterest.com. Because first of all, I'm just going to show you that this method is real and this method is actually working for the people who are actually using Pinterest for their Etsy store. So when I go on Pinterest and type macrame kits Etsy, because macrame kit is a great product which is selling very good on Etsy, and all these type of home decoration or DIY products are getting good sales on Etsy. So when I type it here and search it on Pinterest and I scroll down, I can see many of the pins are there, and these pins are basically related to the macrame kits, and I can see that whenever I hover on any pin, I can find Etsy.com link here. For example, you can see that this is a macrame DIY keychain, and when I click on this one, then that page redirects me from the Pinterest platform to the Etsy store, where I can just purchase that macrame keychain which I have just found on Pinterest. And when I go down, you can see that this is the same macrame kit, and we can just make the same keychain with this macrame kit which we have just saw on Pinterest. And you can see that there are more than 1,000 sales on this listing and the rating is 4.9, and this kit is basically selling for $30. So when we go again on Pinterest and scroll down and find some more macrame kits here, you can see that in this pin they have just made some Christmas tree with the help of macrame cord. So you can see that this is a practical approach. Like this person, the owner of this Pinterest page, knows that after 3 or 4 months there will be a Christmas season. So he started posting the pins related to the Christmas 2 or 3 months ago, because he know that if he started posting the pins from today, so it will take some time, like some week or some month to rank your pin. So he started posting the pins related to the Christmas season from today, so he can get too much impression, views and clicks till the Christmas season, and then he will be able to drive sufficient amount of traffic from Pinterest to their Etsy store. Hence there are high chances of this seller to get sales in the Christmas season from this pin. So let's just check the listing. We can just click on this Etsy.com here. And again, that page redirects us from that Pinterest page to the Etsy store, where I can just purchase that macrame kit, with the help of which I can just make some Christmas trees. You can see that there are more than 2,000 units have sold for this kit, and the rating is 4.8, and this seller is selling for $5. So now, as you have already know that how much potential is there in Pinterest for your Etsy store, so let me start explaining you my 4 best tips which help me to get my pins rank on first page of Pinterest, and I was able to get good free traffic from Pinterest to Etsy store. So the number 1 tip is, when you go on Pinterest and start posting some pins related to your products on Etsy, I recommend you to not post pins on your personal account. Instead, you can create a business account. Because the number 1 benefit of creating a Pinterest business account is you will be able to get the analytics overview of all those pins or videos you post on Pinterest. Like for example, if you create your business account today and then you start posting your pins regularly, so after 30 days you will be able to analyze that how much people view your pin, how much impression your pins got, how much clicks your pins got, and everything you need to know about your audience, like their age, their gender and their interests. So you will be able to know and analyze that what kind of audience is engaging with your content, and as per that analysis you can just put more and more products on your Etsy store which your audience may like. So that analytics feature will help you a lot in getting more and more sales and grow your Pinterest and Etsy store. So to create a business account is super easy. You just need to log into your Pinterest account, and from the top right corner, you need to click on this drop down menu, and then you need to click on settings. But as you can see on the top left corner here, I have already converted my account from personal to business. That's why I'm seeing business here. But you will not be able to see this business button here if you have not converted your Pinterest account to business yet. So to convert that, you just need to click on the setting buttons. And from there, on the left side, you can see claimed accounts. So you need to click on that. And here you need to put your website link or Etsy store link or Shopify store link, and then you need to click on claim. So after clicking on claim, the code will be sent to your website, and you just need to approve or accept that code, so the Pinterest will know that you are the actual owner of that website or Etsy store. So once your website or Etsy store will be linked to your Pinterest account, you will be able to convert your account to business account. And then you are free to post the content related to your Etsy store or any product you are selling on any website. So now the tip number 2, which is to create highly engaging pins. Because if you are posting pins related to your product on Pinterest, then there might be many other sellers which are your competitors on Etsy are also posting the same kind of products on Pinterest. So you must need to stand out in the competition in Pinterest, and you must need to highlight and you must need to make your pins more and more attractive so they can get the viewers or user attention, and they can click on your pins, not your competitors' pins. So the more clicks you will get on your pins, the more Pinterest algorithm will promote your pins. Hence, at the end of the month, you will get more traffic on your Etsy store. So let's just go on Pinterest again and see what kind of pins people are posting. So let's compare these two pins which are on my left side. You can see that the number 1 pin says DIY kitchen tutorial. So you can see that they have inserted a text in it, and they have inserted some images of the product. So this pin clearly explained that if you purchase this product, so what you will be able to make from this. But on the same time, if I see the second pin, you can see that this pin is not that much attractive. Like the size of this pin is not good, the light is very low, there are no colors, and the text is not that much visible. So in my opinion, this pin will get more clicks as compared to this one. So it's super important to make attractive pins. So if you also want to learn that how you can create some attractive pins free of cost, so you can just go on my Pinterest playlist on YouTube. I will put the link in the description below. And from there you can just watch this video, how to create viral pins on Pinterest. So after watching this video, you will be completely able to create more attractive pins free of cost for your Pinterest store. So now the tip number 3, which is Pinterest SEO. So if you are having a Pinterest business account, you have created some super cool attractive pins, but it's super important for those pins to be indexed on proper keyword. For example, if you can see that this is the macrame kit, and if I just go on the Pinterest search bar and I just type lamp for my bedroom, so you can see that this is the keyword lamp for my bedroom. So if you find all those keywords which are super related to your product, and then you insert all those keywords in the title and description of your pin, then there are super chances of your pin to get ranked on all those keywords. So if you properly follow the Pinterest SEO while creating and uploading your pins, then the chances of getting good impression and clicks will be 300% higher than other people. So as you can see here, I have searched the lamp for my bedroom here, and I can see all of the products related to this keyword. You can see that I have just found a pin here, and you can see that this pin is directing me from Pinterest to Etsy. So if I click on Etsy.com, I will be able to land on this lamp listing on Etsy. You can see that this seller is selling this lamp for $100, and they have already sold more than 4,000 units here. And you can see that the main source of traffic for this listing is Etsy. I have just typed lamp for my bedroom here, and this pin is organically ranked on this keyword. So whenever people search lamp for their bedroom, they might see their pin and they might click on this link, and then they go on their Etsy store and purchase. And the same thing happens with other pins. You can see that this pin is taking us from Pinterest to Walmart, and if I go up, this pin is for eBay. So that's why I always say that Pinterest SEO is super important, because if you do the proper SEO of all of your pins, then the customer which are interested in purchasing your product can find your pin and can be redirected to your Etsy store from the Pinterest platform. So again, if you want to learn the Pinterest SEO in detail step by step, and you want all of your pin to rank on first page of Pinterest, then you can go on my Pinterest playlist, and from here you can just watch this video, how to rank number 1 on Pinterest. So I will put the link of all those videos in the description of this video, so you can just go there and learn all these skills for free and be a Pinterest champion. Because if you will be a Pinterest champion, and if you will apply all of these strategies on your Pinterest page, so you can just grow your Pinterest page audience, and then you can just drive all of that traffic from your Pinterest page to your Etsy store. Hence, at the end, you will get more and more sales. So now the most important and my last tip, which is consistency. Yes, because if you follow my method, if you create a Pinterest business account, if you do proper SEO of all of your pins, if you create attractive pins, but if you will not be consistent, like you will start working on this method for 2 or 3 days or maybe 7 days, and after that you quit or you leave or you get demotivated, then this method will not work for you. So after watching this video, you need to implement all those strategies and tips which I have just explained you in this video for at least 60 days. Then after 60 days, if you will not get any results, then you can just reach out to me and then I will surely help you a lot. But first of all, you need to give this method a try for at least 60 days. So if you follow all these steps and if you will be consistent for 60 days, then I'm sure you will be able to make it. So go there, watch all of my Pinterest video, start implementing all those strategies and get super sales on your Etsy store. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really find some value in my content, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more content like this in the future. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.